everyone. Today we are reviewing the Mitsubishi Outlander. This is basically my first time sitting in it. Together with you, we'll see what kind of car this is. I don't know anything about it myself. Let's study it now. I know it has all-wheel drive and a 3-something engine, automatic and all that. So what do we see here? A regular 3-liter engine. Mitsubishi V6 3-liter. I only understood this because it's written in the registration document. I see a plate over there. It's from Dubai, some hieroglyphs. A strut. Nothing special, an emblem. Some kind of golden at the back. The emblems are golden too. Well, apparently, maybe it's some kind of trim level. I don't know. If anyone knows, tell me what it means. Like golden emblems, like on Lexus, on Toyotas. It means some special trim level. Or maybe it doesn't matter here, especially since the engine is generally dirty. Let's go, take a ride, see what this all-wheel drive is about, all that stuff. So friends entered the cabin. Through the door. So what can I say? For 2007, there's nothing particularly nice here. Keyless entry kind of, yeah, but it's sort of makeshift. 2007 Mitsubishi. Well, the phone from Guam, all that music stuff. Yeah, I don't even know what it is. We have those parking sensors. Oh, parking sensors. Typetronic. Electronics. Well, there are parking sensors too. Traction. Parking. Here's the button to turn on the parking. Most importantly, we have all-wheel drive. At the moment, it's rear-wheel drive. But I see that the electronic all-wheel drive engages, I think. After a certain number of kilometers, it should disengage. And I see a lock. That is, there's a lock between everything, most likely the differential. That's all there is. Lower gear. Of course. No, but this is a regular crossover. Where would you lower the gear here? The crossover is not high. Standard, with flat glass. Well, in the back here. Nothing special really. Space. Well, it's enough. Well, how did I fit? But because it's not adjustable, it's not adjustable. For sure. Yes, but I found thing. Well, if you recline the seat a bit. Move it. Wow, it is adjustable. The seat back. Just so you understand, I'm only touching this rear curtain, I guess. So the trunk is invisible. Then there's plenty of space. Here. As always, the cup holders work. In the midst of the bustling city, with its towering skyscrapers and the constant hum of traffic, she paused for a moment. The world seemed to slow down as she took a deep breath, feeling the cool breeze against her skin, and all that. Her voice echoed through the streets, a sound. Was it like this? Right. How does it fold? Does it fold? Well, basically, it turns out to be a pretty large trunk. There should have been a third button here, which I suspect might open the trunk, but it's not there. The trunk is the usual type with torsion bars. Nothing special. Well, yeah, kind of. Like there's this kind of thing. Probably convenient. Well, maybe not, I don't know, but the main thing is that it's there. Oh well, here we have a SUV. What is LLC? Jack. all sorts of stuff. Well, this keyless entry is such a strange thing. It's like you're looking for something to insert, but there's nothing to insert. But at the same time, you have to turn it like in a normal, regular car. Well, alright, let's go. While I was driving here, I really didn't like how it handles, especially at low speed. Now I'll try to show you what I mean. I honestly don't know. Maybe. The problem might actually be with this car, but as the owner says, everything is fine. The chassis is fine. Alignment was done, no issues, but this too. Moreover, I have a feeling that if I let go now, it will keep doing this. Some kind of, well, guys, well, does it work? Tiptronic works. Let's go to first gear. Engine braking. Let's test the Tiptronic. Aha, what about first gear? It didn't want to shift into first at the moment of steering. It doesn't turn with the wheel or the front, but makes a kind of tilt, and with a delay. The car tilts like a ship. I don't even know. I don't know how to describe it. Well, it's just crazy. Maybe, of course, there are still problems with this car, but it's incredibly annoying. By the way, at higher speeds, well, around 70 to 80, it seems to disappear. When I got this car, we drove about 50 kilometers, maybe more, most likely. I'm still waiting for the needle to drop on the fuel level in the tank. Nothing is happening. It's electronic, and there's only one indicator, either full, half tank, or empty. And yes, I think it might. It should gradually go down, but it's absolutely inconvenient to measure by it. Approximately the amount of fuel right now. I'm a BMW enthusiast, well, just like Giro. Not as avid. But I'm very familiar with the BMW Club and have many friends in our city with the BMW Club. Therefore, there will also be quite a bit of BMW here, but besides that, I love off-road driving. I go out myself to ride. With friends, we participate in competitions and just some rides outside the city, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you for watching until the end. Videos will be coming out more and more frequently, so don't unsubscribe, keep watching. I think you'll like it. Everyone will find something interesting for themselves among all the content. Goodbye, and have a great day.